In this video, we will discuss about Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. The difference between binomial distribution and Poisson distribution is, in binomial distribution, number of trials are very less, but probability of success is very large. But in Poisson distribution, number of trials are very large, probability of success is very small. For example, number of road accidents. There are many vehicles, n is very large, but the probability for getting accident is very less. So, n is very large, p is very small. The probability mass function for a Poisson distribution is p of x equals to e power minus lambda power x by x factorial, where lambda is average number. So, lambda equals to average number, and Poisson distribution is denoted by x follows p of lambda, because where lambda is parameter. Poisson distribution is denoted by x follows p of lambda. Now, how can you find mean and variance for binomial distribution? So, there are two concepts. One is expectations and second one is movement generating function. Today, we will discuss mathematical expectation to find mean and variance. Okay. Now, expectation of x nothing but mean value. This is also denoted by first non-central movement, and Poisson distribution is a discrete distribution. So, limits are x equals to 0 to infinity. In binomial distribution, x varies from 0 to n only, but in Poisson distribution, x varies from 0 to n and x into p of x. Here p of x is probability mass function. For a Poisson distribution, probability mass function is e power minus lambda power x by x factorial, that equals to summation x equals to 0 to n x into e power minus lambda power x by, here x factorial is x into x minus 1 factorial, x into x gets cancelled, and e power minus lambda is constant term, e power minus lambda, summation x equals to 0 to infinity e power lambda power x by x minus 1 factorial, that equals to, here I am multiplying and dividing with 1 lambda. So, lambda into e power minus lambda, summation x equals to 1 to infinity. I am changing limits of x from 0 to 1. So, lambda power x minus 1 by x minus 1 factorial. Okay. Now, expand from x to x equals to 1 to infinity, that equals to lambda into e power minus lambda into e power minus lambda, put x equals to 1, then lambda power 0 by 0 minus 1, right, 1 minus 1 0 factorial, plus put x equals to 2, then lambda power 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial, plus put x equals to 3, then you will get lambda power 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 factorial, plus put x equals to 4, then you will get lambda power 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 factorial, and so on. That equals to lambda into e power minus lambda. So, this is 1, lambda power 0 is 1 by 0 factorial 1, plus lambda power 2 minus 1 lambda by 1 factorial, plus lambda square by 2 factorial, plus lambda cube by 3 factorial, plus and so on. There are infinity terms. That equals to lambda into e power minus lambda. We know that 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on equals to e power x. This is the expansion of e power x. So, here we have lambdas, 1 plus lambda by 1 factorial plus lambda square by 2 factorial plus lambda cube by 3 factorial and so on. So, e power lambda, e power minus lambda, e power lambda, that is lambda. Therefore, the expectation of x, mean of a Poisson distribution and first non-central movement of a Poisson distribution is lambda. Now, we need to calculate second non-central movement mu2 dash equals to, what is mu2 dash, what is second non-central movement, what is second central movement, non-central movement mu2 dash, and what is the use of second non-central movement mu2 dash. So second non-central moment mu2 dash is used for finding variance. So variance equals to mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. In terms of expectations, expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Now we need to calculate expectation of x square. So expectation of x square equals to summation x equals to 0 to infinity x into, for a Poisson distribution, the probability mass function is e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. Okay, that equals to summation x equals to 0 to infinity x into e power minus lambda power x by x into x minus 1. But here we are taking x square term. So this x square can be written as x into x minus 1 plus x. Okay, there is no change in the value. So instead of x, I am writing another form, x into x minus 1 plus x. Now multiply with this summation x equals to 0 to infinity x into x minus 1 into e power minus lambda power x by x factorial plus summation x equals to 0 to infinity x into e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. This is mean value. Already we have mean of Poisson distribution, that is lambda. Okay. Now summation x equals to 0 to infinity x into x minus 1 into e power minus lambda power x by x factorial plus lambda. Mean of Poisson distribution is lambda. Now substitute x equals to, here if you take x equals to 0, then we will get negative value here, 0 minus 1. So I am changing summation x value from 0 to 1, or x equals to 1 to infinity x into x minus 1 into e power minus lambda power x by x factorial plus lambda. So you will expand from 1 to infinity terms, then you will get put x equals to 1, then 1 into 1 minus 1, 0 term, then put x equals to 2, again we will get lambda square plus lambda square plus lambda. This is mu2 dash. This is second non-central moment of a Poisson distribution. Now find variance. Variance equals to mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square, that equals to lambda square plus lambda minus mean is lambda whole square. So lambda square gets cancelled, that is lambda. For a Poisson distribution, mean equals to lambda. For a Poisson distribution, mean equals to lambda and variance is also lambda. If you don't know lambda value directly, then you can use NP. So NP equals to lambda. What is N? Number of trials. P is probability of success taken from binomial distributions. Lambda equals to NP.